Welcome back to Kivy with Case. Here we are going to discuss about how to create a grid layout in Kivy. We have a code of box layout. We will change it as grid. Here instead of orientation, we will write number of columns, calls. Say column number 2. Then here my grid layout. Done. Now let's run. So look here, 2 columns and 2 buttons. Now add more buttons. Make a copy of these 2 buttons. And paste here. Change the name of button 3, button 4. Change the color, say 9, 2, 3, 0.9, 0.2, 0.31, 0.5, 0.6, 0.31. Now let's run. Error. So we have to here also closed. Now let's run. Okay. Now it has given 4 buttons of different colors. Now let's add more 2 buttons and change the button's name and plan about my travel app. Let us add more 2 buttons. Let us change the colors. Say 6. Say 3. And it is 5. Here 3, 5, 7. Now let's change the name button 1 as Darjeeling, button 2 as doers, button 3 as Gangtok, button 4 as Kalimpong, next Karshiang, next Lataguri. Now let's run. Okay, it has given 6 buttons. Darjeeling, Doers, Gangtok, Kalimpong, Karshiang, Lataguri. While clicking on the button, it will give the information about the place, transportation, etc. In the next video lecture, we will incorporate some informations about the place. Now let us add a label in this grid layout from Kivy dot uix dot label import label, and here let's add self dot add widget label text is say my travel app. New line, this app will give you the informations, new line, about the place, hotels, guest house, homestay, new line, and various types of transportation. Let's check. Let's run it. Nice. Hope it helped you. If you have any question, please drop in the comment box.